Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the awesome outdoor string lights, GlobaLink string lights. 60 meter, these are 53 feet long, S14 LED outdoor garden lights, IP65 waterproof, Festoon outdoor lights with 2700 K for Kelvin and 15 bulbs plus one spare bulb for outside use or inside too. For Patio, Terrace, yard, wedding, party, and that's the big thing, it's connectable. This IP65 waterproof backyard string lights have flexible, heavy-duty wire with special molded weatherproof sockets, so they can withstand snow, sun, damp, wind, rain, and extreme temperatures for outside use. Shatterproof LED gun string Festoon lights bulbs are made of an anti-UV ultraviolet PET impact-resistant materials. Never turns yellow after long exposure to the outdoor. High temperature 70 up to 80 degrees Celsius and low temperature -20 up to -40 degrees Celsius resistance. That's really hot stuff. There are 15 built-in hanging loops on the socket. They also included 16 bundles of cable ties for our convenience connection. We can connect up to 25 strands end to end to decorate a larger area. Wow! Besides, they included a 1.5 meter extension cord, so that we are no longer restricted by the socket. We want to give our outdoor dinner party a touch of a chic flair. These porch string lights will do the trick easily. We are looking for outdoor entertaining ideas. There it is. That's the choice. GlobaLink LED outdoor hanging lights with 2700 K shatterproof plastic LED lights bulbs emits a soft, warm glow, creating a cozy ambience in our backyard. Confidentially, hanging these garden strings lights as patio lights, balcony lights, backyard lights, porch lights, party lights, deck lights, cafe lights, where you like. It gives any outdoor areas an inviting ambience perfect for get together. And ETL-CE certified high efficient LED bulbs, 1 watt per bulb, saves over 90% of energy over 12 W incandescent bulbs. It saves money on our electricity bills. These balcony string lights can work with dimmer, which is not included, perfectly to dimming the brightness. We can create a warm, soft ambience for romantic weddings, warm family reunion, summer night parties. More than 30,000 hours lifespan can reduce the maintenance cost on changing the bulbs frequently. 60 meter, these are 53 feet, and it's available in another dimension too, 31 meter. That's long, and you can connect them to a more longer string. That's really awesome, I think, and it looks nice, as you can see. Really weatherproof IP65 15 plus 1 LED bulbs are included. It's energy saving because of 1 watt power each bulb, and we have an end-to-end connection and shatterproof option. We are looking to an outdoor environment at night, and it's total darkness with nothing to smile about. But now there is something that will bring us backyards and patio back to life. The outer string lights have really improved with time to the extent that many homes see them as a must-have. They are versatile and are Ideal for wedding, dances, outdoor meals, patios, tents, and more. If we want to bring ambience to our outdoor space, then this string light should be a frontier for us. Quickly and timelessly enhance the appearance of our outdoor environment. With the help of these outdoor string lights here, it is possible. They are beautiful hands. They are ideal for hanging on pergolas, umbrellas, patios, decks, and more. We can also use them for our wedding, backyards, garden, what we like. And it's easy. If there is a damaged bulb, no problem, because you can replace them. The GlobaLink outdoor string lights make sure that our experience optimum quality with their enhanced performance. Moreover, they are designed to withstand all kinds of weather, including adverse weather conditions like windy or rainy. No problem. They are dimmed enough to create a cozy atmosphere, but the light is enough so we can read or dine under them. The versatility allows us to use them every day without getting them off. The classic and the elegant design make them one of the best outdoor patio lights on the markets. And that's right. They look really beautiful and so easy to replace the bulbs, as you can see. You have to, you only have to remove the bulb itself, and then you can remove the LED spot as well. And after that, you have to put another into it. Job's done. The connected outside string lights is an easy installation, so you can add more and more of these string lights to it, and it makes a nice shine at night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.